everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing another unboxing. I received my Mei Mei subscription box and I'm super excited. I haven't looked in it yet. I've literally saved it for this video, so I'm so excited to see what's inside. So I shall get started. Okay, so here we go. How cute is the bag already? The bag, the box, the packaging and everything like that. Open it up. Excuse my dog in the background barking. Okay, oh cute. Little hearts, love it. So February's box, this is so exciting. This is my second of the subscription boxes from Mei Mei. So we've got instruction cards, and this is what tells you what's inside your box, and we've got step-by-step tutorials here. Cute. So first off we have some hearts, obviously, because it is February. I don't know if I showed you this last time, but with these, I mean, how cute is this, that you can just open it like that and you don't lose any of the sequins that are inside. You open it like that, pour a couple out, and then you can pop them back when you're done with them. Close it up and there's no chance of you spilling them everywhere, which is amazing. So then we have the gel polishes. So you have a full set of gel polishes from Mei Mei. So we've got, are they called Lovey? That is the collection. Those are the colours. So I'll swatch those for you in a moment. Oops. Oh, love hearts, obviously. They will be eaten by me later. Thank you. So then we've got some, these are stickers. Be My Valentine. Little Valentine stickers. How cute are those? I think they're, let me just check, but I think, oh yeah, they are, I think they're water decals. Yeah, so they're water decals, not stickers. I do apologise. Cool. Ooh, exciting. So these are the tabs, the glue tabs. I've been doing press-on nails just recently, just been creating some press-on nails to sell, and these are, you can either use glue or you can use glue tabs to apply your false nails or your press-ons to your nails. The good thing about the glue tabs is that you can use them, apply your nail to your, get my words out in a minute. You can use them and they won't damage the press-on nail, so you can take them off and reuse the press-on nails, so it's really cool. Really handy way to apply your press-ons without damaging your nails. Not that, you know. Then we have a little sample of some press-ons. So these are they're flexi press tips, and the shape is, I think they're like an almond, short almond shape. And then here what we've got is two of the nail polishes by Mei Mei. Well, Mei Mei by Miss You. So the colours we have here, we've got Stone and Marmalade. So I'll swatch those as well in a minute, and that is it. So really cute. Liking I'm liking the theme, obviously, Valentine's love. So yeah, so we've got a lovely collection here. We've got some flexi press tips. Like I said, I think they're almond style flexi press tips. So you've got a full set there, plus more, to be honest. I think you'd probably have 2 sets or thereabouts. So that's quite cool. glue tabs, if you want to use those instead of using glue, and then you can reuse your flexi press tips or your press-ons. Water decals, and the collection Lovey collection. It's cute. And nail varnishes. So I'm going to swatch these. Oh, and the hearts. Don't forget the hearts. Cute. So I'm going to swatch these and yeah, show you what they look like. Okay, so I am going to get started with Lovey 01. I think that's how they are pronounced. And it's like a teal glittery colour. It's absolutely gorgeous. Just putting 2 coats on there. And then I've got Lovey 02. Now, what I didn't realise until I started working on this colour was that these gel polishes are in fact colour changing. Look at that, you can see there. How cool is that? So all of this collection, I think it depending on the temperature, changes colour. So that is so cool. I really like this blue. I think it's gorgeous. So it goes to like a lighter version of that colour, which is absolutely amazing. Look at that. There it is. You can just see it there. So yeah, so I'm really, really excited to be using these colours. So just applying the coats, the colours to these practice tips that I have here, and cure each coat in the LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I go in with a second coat, and then I just apply top coat to all of those gel polishes so that they are you know, sealed in. How cool is that? So they're really lovely colours. I actually really like this collection. I think the 01 is my favourite because it's sparkly and I really love sparkle. So yeah, love it to bits. And there they are. So then I just use the LED lamp to show you. Can you see that there? They're changing colour. So yeah. And so then what I show you is the water-based nail varnishes. Never used them before, new to me. I didn't think you needed 2 coats of them, which was amazing. You got quite a lot of coverage with just 1 coat. So we've got marmalade first and then stone. The good thing about these is that you can mix them with non-wipe UV gel top coat. And if you do that, you create your own gel polish. So that's quite cool. So what I decided I would do with this week's box, or this month's box, sorry, I thought I would try out one of the tutorials using the flexi press tips that were provided in the box. I used them as press on nails, so I'm just measuring out my nail here. I really like this shape of flexi press tip that they sent me. It's really quite cute. So yeah, so I thought I'd give the tutorial a go, and I thought I'd film it, see what you think to it, using all the items that I received in my subscription box. So just placing them down, because I'm using them as press-ons, I'm just popping them down on my display here so that I can do the nail art without doing them on my actual nails. So I'm going to do them on the nail and then place them on my nail, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So just buffing the shine off those nails so that the gel polish adheres nicely. And with Lovey 01, I'm just placing down this gel polish on those nails. So the tutorial that I'm doing is the easy tutorial. I just thought I'd give it a go because I really quite like the design, and I thought, well, you know, show everybody what you can do with the subscription box. Give it a go. So just popping down 2 coats of this gel polish, and I cure each coat in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. I really quite like the idea of doing the nail art on the nails while they're on the display before I place them down on my nail. It feels so much easier to do nail art on a tip like this on a nail when it's on the display stand, rather than doing it on my own nails. It's so much easier, especially when you're filming. It just feels so much easier. It's so cool. I really liked it. So yeah, which I am doing now as a business, selling press-on nails, press-on tips. So I'm quite excited about it, obviously because we can't do nails anymore at the moment due to COVID. Thanks COVID. So I've got my Nail Vision palette here and my white. These gels you can buy off the Nail Vision app, guys, just to let you know. So I use the fine detail brush, but before I do that, I apply a layer of top coat to my nail. This is the non-wipe UV gel top coat. Before I cure it in my LED lamp, I'm just applying the hearts to those nails. So they're like silver holographic hearts. They come in this cute little pot. It's so cute. I love it. So yeah, so before I've cured that, I put these hearts on and they adhere to the nail then really, really, really well. So I'm just following the tutorial really, just the guide that it gives you. Trying to do it in the order that they suggest as well. Yeah, so this is like a rhinestone pen thing as well. I think it's waxy so that things stick to it nicely. You can get these off the website as well, Miss You Beauty website. Yeah, so the subscription box, guys, by the way, is £35 a month, which I think is an absolute bargain because you get lots of nail art items. So I just cured that, by the way, in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. So now with that white that I had on my Nail Vision palette and my very fine detail brush, I'm just drawing out my stars. So while you're watching that, I'm going to chat a bit about the subscription box. So yeah, £35 a month. You can subscribe within the first 7 days of the month. And once you've subscribed, it will automatically, you will automatically be subscribed each month thereafter. But you can cancel it at any time. And that includes, sorry, just to let you know, that includes VAT and delivery as well. So £35 each month, that's it. That's all you pay. And you get 4 gel polishes. So you get the full collection from Mei Mei. And you get different nail art. Like, obviously, I've got the hearts. I've got some nail varnishes. I've got water decals. Loads of there's, you know, it's just really cool. I think it's a bargain, and I think it's great because you get these tutorials that, you know, it gives you ideas that you can create different designs. I'm really I'm going to save all these tutorials, like sort of store them up and have a little booklet to keep them all in. I really quite like the idea of that. I'm a bit of a collector. I'm a bit sad really, but, well, that's not sad, is it? But anyway, I'm a collector. So, yeah, I love collecting things like that. And I just think, you know, gives you some really good ideas. So, excuse my thumb getting in the way there. So, these stars as well, this is like a design that I've never done before, but I really quite liked them. They look easy, but actually they're a little bit harder than what I thought. So anyway, I'm going in with the dotting tool as well. I'm just applying some little dots down on the nail. And then once all that is done, I cure that in the LED lamp for about 45 seconds. And then I go in with some UV gel top coat, non-wipe top coat, and cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And those nails are done. How cool is that? I really love this design. I'm dead chuffed with it. So then, in order to apply these nails to my nails, I buff the shine away from my nail. Just etch the nail basically, and with the glue tabs, I just place those down on the underside of the nail itself of the press on, and peel away the sticker, or peel away the tab basically, and it leaves you with the glue tab attached to the false nail, and then I press that down on my nail. So it's sort of like very secure. They stayed in place. I was really impressed with them. So as you can see here, I'm just peeling them off the strip, very gently peeling it off the strip, as you can see. And then just place that down on the underside of that nail. Just press it down, make sure it's nice and stuck in place. And with some tweezers, I pull away the backing sheet of that tab and then I place it down on my nail and press it down. Cute. So then I apply cuticle oil to all of my nails after I've placed them down on the rest of my nails. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and the Nail Vision app. I will link everything that I used in the description box below for you all to check out. So thank you again so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.